Well, here we are.
Great news, you guys. Our driveway is done.
Finally.
Oh, it took what felt like forever.
Forever.
But it is done.
We've been stuck in overdrive, tired of the sleepless nights. I don't know where I would be without you, without you. Racing through the busy weeks, no wonder we can hardly breathe. I don't ever wanna be without you, without you. Feels like we're just getting started. I don't even know where we're going. I don't mind as long as I'm with you. Golden days on the horizon, on my mind. Feels like we're flying, here we go, carried by the wind. This is where we begin. Oh, this is where we begin. Remember running through the streets, staying up and losing sleep. Felt like an endless summer when we were younger. Now we're punching every clock. Have those dreams all been lost inside an endless summer when we were younger? Feels like we're just getting started. I don't even know where we're going. I don't mind as long as I'm with you. Golden days on the horizon, on my mind. Feels like we're flying, here we go, carried by the wind. This is where we begin. Oh, this is where we begin. Oh, this is where we begin. Oh, this is where we This is where we begin. Oh, this is where we begin.
This driveway is so steep, y'all. All this red shiny dirt is where we're paying to bring in fill so we can elevate this driveway a little bit. Otherwise, our house is not going to be able to be delivered. Oh, here she comes. Oh, man. Alright, second time for Quinn driving up the driveway, but the first time for me riding up it. Look how steep that is. Holy cow. Are we gonna spin?
Okay.
Why are you stopping at the bottom? Look at.
You want to sit? You ready?
Guys, this is so freaking steep.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh boy! We're not spinning. You know, I really thought it was gonna be worse.
Well, he's got that red dirt stuck back.
Yeah, it's looking bad. Alright. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Did you win the trophy, Dad?
You're like summer in the shade, like a sip of lemonade. And I love the taste, oh I love the taste. You're the only songbird sing, like a lullaby of spring. In the morning rain, in the morning rain. I'm gonna give you all my love, wildflower, give you every.
Something kinda crazy. I wanna go drive all night with you right next to me. I wanna go feel the pounding of your heartbeat. When we get up high, won't look down and won't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I lived like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my head. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my head. I wanna go make pictures look like postcards. I wanna go take the train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my head. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would
bring in 20 dump truck loads of dirt, 8 loads of crushed surge stone, and 3 loads of crushed asphalt.
But now our mobile home can get delivered. One of the issues that we alluded to was that our land is very, very steep. And so we chose a mobile home to come in here, and it's 76 foot long. So that meant we had to do a lot of work to get the approval for our mobile home to be able to come in at all. So yeah,
There's a lot of dirt.
have overcome it.
Yes.
Just like you said we would. Hopefully. The contractors that are delivering it say that they can get in here no problem.
When we started, they said that there's no way it was getting in here.
They said, we do not know how you're going to get this done. And we were like, well, tell us what to do and we'll do it. So our grader hooked us up, and we have a very beautiful steep driveway, and it's going to be good, y'all. It's going to be really, really good. So
Pretty good. And right now, the grader is clearing out trees for the 2 shipping containers that were getting brought in, and those should probably be ready next week. So our home should be getting delivered hopefully beginning next week. And we'll go from there.
So the next time you see us, we will be showing you our mobile home getting delivered, and hopefully it'll go well. In my
Should go well.
It should. We hope. In my nightmares, y'all, I see it like just right over into the creek. That's what I see. So hopefully that doesn't happen, because that would be really, really, really sad. But I did want to talk about something too. Earlier we mentioned that we want to inspire y'all to grow things. And so you can grow whatever your heart desires. You can grow a family. You can grow a business. You can grow your knowledge. You can grow a ministry. You can grow
Plants.
Yeah, a farm, anything you want to grow. And I just want to challenge you guys and encourage you too that when you have a dream in your heart, just make sure that you are not trying to be just like someone else. There is a beautiful balance between looking up to someone and being encouraged by someone and learning from someone. All those things are really, really good, and you should do those things. But make sure when you're dreaming that you let loose, dream your heart out, and work hard at it, and you're going to achieve those dreams. So that's what we're doing. We're working really hard to just think outside the box, make a property that was not ideal into something that is absolutely gorgeous when we're done with it. And y'all, this thing is rough.
Very rough.
It is so rough. It's like, holy cow. The driveway's so steep, and there's not really any flat spots except for the spot where we're putting our mobile home. And we are determined to inspire you guys to grow something just by seeing that you can turn something that is not practical into something that is absolutely a dream come true. All right, y'all, go grow something.
Thank you.